Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add eBay gift card. To add a gift card to your eBay, first of all go ahead and open up the eBay application on your device. Make sure to log into your account as well and then go ahead and select an item you wish to purchase and add it on your shopping cart. Once ready, you'll be taken to the checkout page. From here, simply go ahead and tap on the gift cards and coupon option. On the next page, enter your 13-digit gift card code in the provided field and tap on apply to apply the gift card balance to your order. Make sure to review your order summary to ensure the gift card has been applied, and after you do that, you'll also need to select your preferred payment for any remaining balance. Finally, confirm and pay to finalize your purchase with your gift card. So that's how you easily add a gift card on eBay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more eBay tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.